guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be explaining hand mudras and have a better understanding of what these mudras actually state. So if you didn't know, our fingers represents 5 elements that we are made of, that is earth, water, air, ether and fire. So now universe has beautifully divided our fingers into each element. So our thumb represents fire, Agni. Okay, our index finger represents air, middle finger ether, ring finger earth and your little finger water. Now you must have seen कि कुछ मुद्रा ऐसे होता है, कुछ मुद्रा में थंब को अंदर प्रेस किया जा रहा है, कुछ मुद्रा थंब कोई फिंगर को अंदर प्रेस करता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? सो नाउ एज यू नो योर फिंगर्स रिप्रेजेंट ईच एलिमेंट, राइट? तो सपोज अगर आपके बॉडी में पित्त ज़्यादा है तो आपको क्या कम करना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ दिस एलिमेंट. सो टू डिक्रीजिंग पित्त यू नीड टू पुट दिस डाउन. अभी पित्त कैसे कम होगा? कम होगा बिकॉज ऑफ अर्थ एलिमेंट. बॉडी में कफा को थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द अर्थ एलिमेंट विच इज दिस? सो यू प्रेस दिस विद दिस डाउन. आई गिव यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मुद्रा फॉर ईच एंड एवरी फिंगर्स. बट यू ये तो समझा कि जब हम नीचे करते हैं दैट इज रेड्यूसिंग द पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. इट कैन बी विद any fingers, okay? It can be with any fingers. Now when you do this, okay, this is balancing. This is balancing both the element. Now let's do it with index finger, which is called vayu mudra, which is इसको नीचे और इसको ऊपर. ये वात से रिलेटेड है, वात को कम करने के लिए ये यूज होता है. Now with your third ether you have to, I'm going to give this balancing example. Okay, this is balancing your ether and your fire. This is good for intuition. This is called Akash mudra. This is called Prithvi mudra. Balancing it, your other 3 fingers will be pointing straight outward. This is for balancing your earth element and your fire element, and this water element and your fire element. Again, this is called Jal mudra. Now these fingers, other than element, what do they represent? So fire element, your thumb, represents transformation, pitta, जो कि मैंने already बोल दिया है, improving digestion, reducing laziness, boosts immunity. तो इससे related जो भी मुद्रास रहते हैं will be with fire. Okay, now let's come to index finger, which is air. Now this is related to vata. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of vata, pitta and kapha. Okay, but this is related to vata. ये वात को बॉडी में बढ़ाना है, घटाना है. This finger will be involved in that mudra. Now वात का प्रॉब्लम जनरली क्या होता है? जॉइंट पेन्स, ब्लोटिंग, excessive air in your body, overthinking a lot, because overthinking is also an issue of extreme of bath in your mind. Now coming to ether, this is more about consciousness, your spiritual awareness, your spiritual growth, mental clarity. So उससे related जो भी मुद्रास रहेंगे will be involving your middle finger. Now coming to earth, earth is more rooted, grounding, your immunity, your strength, stability. तो उससे related ring finger will be involved. Okay, that's why we put our wedding ring. It said that wedding ring generally ये finger में डालते हैं. Your ring, this is called ring finger, right? Because you want your marriage to have a stability, so you activate by putting it a ring. Now your little finger, it represents communication, fluidity. It represents water retention in your body. So this and this, mainly I can say kapha, prakriti, this vata, this pitta. Okay, so actually not, this is not kapha, this won't be count as kapha, but this is kapha. So mudras related to your little finger generally are about communication, increasing hydration in your body, any dryness. Oh, I can say combination of vata, because vata creates dryness in your body. So yes, it can be a combination of kapha and vata. So anything related to dryness and emotions, because water represents emotion as well. So balancing of emotions के सारे मुद्रास का कनेक्शन ये फिंगर के साथ होगा. Okay, so that is it. I hope I gave you a general and a little bit of in-depth knowledge on understanding mudras. So next time in class or wherever you practice mudra, now you will be much more conscious about मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ या मैं कर क्या रही हूँ और हो क्या रहा है जब मैं ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. सो इट्स बेसिकली इंक्रीजिंग, डिक्रीजिंग और बैलेंसिंग ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट इन योर बॉडी. ओके, दैट इज इट. It's very simple actually. Okay, so yeah, see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.